My hand should be away from the paper like that, but I'm going to keep it here so we can get it all in the shot. And I'm going to start with the wrist, and this is going to be a continuous line blind contour. So I'm not going to look at the paper, I'm only going to be looking at my hand. So here we go, and I start by placing the pen where I want to start, and that's the last time I look at the paper. From then on I won't look at the paper until I get all of this done and back to the original spot, or back to the table again. So here we go, to start up, and now I'm going to be drawing completely blind, not looking at the paper at all. I can't see the paper. I can kind of see the paper out of the corner of my eye, but I can't see where the lines are going. So I'm now pretending that the point of my pen is actually touching my hand as I draw, and I really can't see what's going on the paper. I'm only looking at the hand and looking at all of the details on my hand, pretending that the pen is touching those details. And I'm going to go up to the finger here, and now notice how I do the joints of the finger as I'm doing the finger. Now I don't do the finger first and put the joints in later. I put it all in at the same time. Now, I don't know, maybe I'm getting too big. I can't tell. I don't want to go off of the page, but so sometimes that can happen. To go off the page, you just put your pen back on the page and continue. So now I'm going to draw that wrinkle there, and then back down here, and go to my fourth finger now, and looking carefully at the details, and then drawing those wrinkles again, my fourth finger. Not lifting the pen at all one single continuous line. And then my little finger now, and then those wrinkles. Now I'm going to go back down and do some of the lines in my palm. Some of those lines that the palm readers look at when they read your palm. And then go back down here, and then back down to the wrist and off the paper. But there it is. Now that's completely blind without looking at the paper at all.